For millions of account holders with lockers in banks, it is their worst nightmare. Critical papers kept in a locker eaten away by termites. Except in this case, it was not papers but hard cash. Alka Pathak, a resident of Moradabad, visited a branch of the Bank of Baroda last October in preparation of her daughter's wedding. She deposited jewellery and 18 lakh rupees in cash in the locker. A few days ago, she was called to the bank for KYC verification and took the opportunity to reopen her locker. This is what she found. This is what remained of the 18 lakh rupees she had kept in the locker 11 months ago. But rules make it clear that the bank liability for the destroyed 18 lakh rupees is zero.
You have to explain to the income tax department from where you get the currency, whether it is a legitimate money, it's a hard-earned money, it has been declared in return of income or not. And if the money is not declared in your return of income, if it is not a money which is a declared money, then you might face some other problem in the Income Tax Act.
According to new locker rules put in place by RBI this year, customers can keep only legitimate items in the locker. The new rules prohibit storage of any cash or currency in lockers. Also on the banned item list are weapons, drugs, hazardous or radioactive substances, and even perishable items. The new rules specify that users can only use lockers for legitimate purposes such as storing jewelry or documents. Importantly, the rules allow banks to open the locker in the presence of the owner if they suspect otherwise. However, the termite terror has left many wondering what if the contents in the locker were critical documents and not just cash.
Bank may not be responsible for that because bank never knows what were the documents there. But there is a caveat in it and there is a rule in it that if there is a negligence from the bank side, of course you can file a suit against the bank for the negligence and for the damages and for the compensation.
The bank's liability in content loss cases, according to new rules, will be equivalent to 100 times the annual rent of the locker. It will also be liable to the customer for fire, theft, burglary, dacoity, building collapse, etc., as it cannot deny responsibility for any loss or damage to the contents of the lockers. The bank is also liable if there is damage due to fraud by an employee. But what is not liable for are losses or damages to the locker content due to floods, earthquakes and other natural calamities. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.